Alright guys, we are here at Miramar Lake, or Mission Bay. Look at that, we're here for lunch. We got our stuff from Popeye and we're taking the food out. And we are here to enjoy the lunch and the view. The weather is amazing. Look at that, look how beautiful this looks. The greenery, the breeze. I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom in on the lake. Look at that. I'll go a little further and show you guys. Love the mulch here. It just makes it look even more better. Look at that. Look at those ducks. I don't know if you guys can see it. There it is. Cute little one. And that's where the dam is. Separation.